Stop right there! I am buzzing! I am so happy!
Buzzing? What's the deal, David? Did you finish your coffee?
Better! I have finished the big, long report. Look, the computer says, done! I have done my job! I am free!
Wow, that's awesome. You have totally been busy. You see, listeners, David just used the topic of our whole episode. We are talking about your achievements.
Achievements. That's the ticket. It means success right now.
That feeling of completion, of connecting a finished action to the now, that, my friends, is the magic of the present perfect tense. It shows the result now. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkEasy English. I'm Sarah, and I'm ready to talk results.
And I'm David, and I have already finished my report. Today, we are talking about a big grammar idea, the present perfect. We will make it easy.
This tense is crucial for fluent English conversation, especially when you are talking about what you have done in your life or today.
Before we dive in, please smash the like button right now. It helps us know you love these easy lessons, no sweat.
And please subscribe to the TalkEasy English channel. We are here to help you speak confidently. We promise to go slowly and repeat a lot. Let's get started with the simple structure.
So, Sarah, what's the present perfect tense and where do we use it? Can you explain to our listeners?
Yes, sure. The present perfect is for talking about things that are done. It's about actions that started in the past, but the result is here now.
We need two parts for this tense to understand. Part 1 and Part 2.
Correct. Part 1 is the simple helper verb have or has.
Let's practice Part 1 first, that is, has or have. For I, you, we, they always use have, whereas for he, she, it use has.
Now part 2 is the most important part, the third form of the verb called the past participle, or V3.
The V3 is the trickiest part, but we will practice the most common ones now.
That's right. It's the done part of the present perfect sentence. Listeners, you gotta practice these V3 forms or the whole thing falls apart.
Exactly. We need to focus on the irregular verbs. These are the ones that change their shape completely. Let's start with 5 super common ones.
Let's start with go. This is a great word for talking about travel or leaving. The base form, V1, is go. The past participle, V3, is gone.
Listen and repeat the V3 form for go 2 times. Say it loud, gone, gone.
Now, let's use it in a sentence. We say, I have gone to the store. This means I went to the store and I am not here now.
Remember that result I have gone means you are absent now.
Next, let's talk about see. We use this for movies, news, or life experience. The base form, V1, is see. The past participle, V3, is seen.
Listen and repeat the V3 form for see 2 times. Seen, seen.
We use this to talk about things you've experienced. I have seen that movie. The result is you know the story now.
This is the most important one. Do. It is for talking about tasks and achievements. The base form, V1, is do. The past participle, V3, is done.
This is the sound of completion. Repeat done twice. Done, done.
When you finish a task, you say, I have done the dishes. The result is your kitchen is clean now.
Let's talk about food. This is super common. The verb is eat. The base form, V1, is eat. The past participle, V3, is eaten.
Listen to the V3 for eat and repeat twice. eaten, eaten.
We use it to talk about your appetite. She has eaten lunch. The result is she is full now.
Our last essential V3 is be. We use this one a lot for travel and experience. The base form, V1, is be. The past participle, V3, is been.
Repeat, been 2 times. This one is key. Been.
We use it to talk about a place you visited. I have been to Paris. The result is that you have that experience now.
Fantastic. Remember, listeners, have has plus the V3 verb. You just practice the 5 most important ones.
Sarah, let's talk about the 3 special little words that make this tense sound supernatural. They are just, already, and yet.
Yes, David, they are key. They tell us how close to now the achievement happened.
Let's first discuss magic word 1, just.
Just means the action happened 1 minute ago. It's fresh news. We use it to sound current or very, very recent.
Let's practice this. Imagine I finished reading 1 second ago. I have just finished reading. Repeat. I have just finished reading.
Where does just go? In the middle, between have has and the V3 verb.
Now, magic word 2, already. Already shows that the action is finished. We use it to show fast speed or completion.
Imagine your friend asks, "Did you clean the kitchen?" You were fast. You can proudly say, "I have already cleaned the kitchen." Repeat, "I have already cleaned the kitchen."
It's a power word. It confirms success. Where does already go? In the middle, between have, has, and the V3 verb. Lastly, magic word 3, yet.
Yet is our word for negatives and questions. It means not now, but I will do it, or not finished, but soon.
We use it in 2 main ways. Listen to the negative structure. Like haven't means the task is still on the list. For example, I haven't gone to the store yet. Repeat, I haven't gone to the store yet.
And for the question you can ask, have you finished your homework yet? Repeat, have you finished your homework yet?
Where does yet go? Yet always goes at the very end of the sentence or question. It's a clean stop for a pending task.
David, we need to talk about here the past simple too. This is the most confusing part for beginners, but we will make it super simple for them.
Yes. When do I say, I saw, and when do I say I have seen? It's so confusing.
Yes. For this, we use a simple rule, the time rule.
The time rule. Wow. What's this, Sarah?
Let's understand the past simple rule with an example of the old photo. Think of the past simple like I saw, I went, I ate as an old photo. When you use the old photo tense, you must say the date on the photo. The date is the specific time, like yesterday, last night at 8 a.m. Take example here, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. The time is specific and finished.
So, past simple needs a timestamp.
Correct. If you use the time word, you must use the past simple.
Now, what about the present perfect, Sarah?
Understand the present perfect rule by the live video. Think of the present perfect like I have seen, I have gone, I have eaten as a live video. Shutterstock. With a live video, the specific time is not important. The result is important now. For example, I have eaten breakfast. My stomach is full now. The time doesn't matter.
I get it. The present perfect connects the past to the present moment. It's the think about the now tense.
Let's practice the difference one more time. Listen to the two rules. Rule 1, old photo. I cleaned the house yesterday. Past simple plus specific time. Rule 2, live video. I have cleaned the house. Present perfect plus result. Now, the house is clean.
Let's say I saw a movie last week is an example of old photo.
I have seen that movie is a perfect example of live video means I know the story now.
This simple analogy makes it so much easier.
Let's use the present perfect to talk about life experience. We use this all the time. The simple question is, have you ever?
Let's check some experiences.
Let's practice a simple conversation using have you ever and the third form. Have you ever been to the beach?
Yes, I have been there. Or, no, I haven't been there yet.
Have you ever tried flying a kite?
Yes, I have already tried it. Or, no, I haven't tried it yet.
Have you ever seen a bear?
No, I haven't seen a bear yet. And I don't want to.
You see how easy it is to talk about life experience? You are reporting results.
Let's do quick role play here. Talking about your day's achievements. You ask me questions, Sarah, and I'll answer. Are you ready?
Yes, David. Let's begin. Hey, David, how was your day? Have you finished your tasks yet?
Yes. I have already finished my hardest task. I have written 3 emails. I have seen the new website.
Awesome. What about the food? Have you eaten lunch yet?
No, I haven't eaten lunch yet. I was too busy. I am hungry now.
Excellent. You use the tense perfectly to summarize the results of your day.
Sarah, I feel like I have finally mastered the present perfect. I can talk about my achievements now.
That's fantastic. Let's summarize the 3 core ideas one final time. Listen and repeat all the key terms. The core structure. Person plus have or has plus V3.
Repeat. Have done, has gone, have seen.
The time rule. It's the live video tense. It shows the result now.
Repeat. The result now. The result now.
The magic adverbs. Just, already, yet.
Repeat. Have just finished. Have already seen. Haven't done yet. Let's say one final sentence together that summarizes our success. We have taught a great lesson today.
Repeat. We have taught a great lesson today. We have taught a great lesson today.
That feels like a total win.
So listeners, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining TalkEasy English. Remember, the present perfect is your best tool for talking about your successes and experiences.
And now, for your homework. Please leave us a comment below and answer this simple question. What is one thing you have already eaten today?
Use the structure, I have already eaten, for example, I have already eaten bread. We love reading your successful sentences.
And please, if you found this episode helpful, subscribe to the TalkEasy English channel and share this lesson with your friends.
Ask your friend, have you subscribed yet? I love that question.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Keep practicing. You guys are amazing.
Bye for now.